Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to back up your MySQL data on Heroku. When you use MySQL as your app's database on Heroku, add-ons such as JAWSDB and ClearDB provide an easy-to-use database. However, backups aren't retained for more than a few days. What would you do if you found out that something went wrong and your good backup is already gone? Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on how to use an incredibly simple and cost-effective method to schedule your MySQL backups and store them in a secure, managed, and easily accessible cloud storage. The three ingredients required to accomplish this task are the MySQL backup program, MySQL dump, which will be run within our app using a Heroku buildpack, a secure and reliable cloud storage, SFTP to go, and lastly, a scheduler to trigger our backups, Cron To Go. Both SFTP to go and Cron To Go are popular Heroku add-ons that can be installed with just the click of a button. But first things first, let's add MySQL dump to our app. To do so, open your Heroku app dashboard and click the Settings tab. Then, scroll to the buildpack section and click Add Buildpack. Copy the buildpack URL from the video description and click Save Changes. To activate the buildpack, you must deploy your app. There are no changes to our actual app, so we'll just make a dummy update, commit it, and push our code to Heroku to deploy the app. To verify that the buildpack is indeed working, start a one-off dyno using the Heroku CLI and type in bin/mysql dump. The MySQL dump usage should show up. If you see an error instead, make sure that the buildpack is indeed installed and that you've deployed your app after adding the buildpack. If you haven't already, make sure to install the Heroku CLI by following the link in the description. Next, go to the Resources tab to install the add-ons. Type in SFTP and click SFTP to go. In the dialog that pops up, pick your plan and click Submit Order Form to install it. Now, install Cron To Go by typing in Cron, clicking Cron To Go, picking your plan, and again clicking the Submit Order Form button. Open the Cron To Go dashboard by clicking Cron To Go in the add-ons list in order to create the backup job. Click Add Job, name the job, and pick a schedule on which the job will run. Then copy the command from the blog post whose link you can find in the video description below. Most of the command lines deal with breaking the MySQL URL in the environment variable into its distinct parts because MySQL dump can't simply take the URL. The last line of the command runs MySQL dump pipes the backup through gzip to compress the backup and pipes the compressed backup to curl to upload the file to SFTP to go and uses the database name and backup time as the file name. Change the dyno type to match your app, increase the job timeout if required, and click Add Job. Then, to test it out, click the menu button and run Job Now to create a backup. Wait for the job to complete successfully. Finally, let's check our backup. To connect to SFTP to go, copy the SFTP to go URL from your app settings or from SFTP to go's dashboard and use it in your favorite SFTP client. Go to the MySQL backup directory and list the files in it. You can download the backup file and view its contents. There you have it. To restore the backup, use the MySQL command to run the backup SQL script. You can find more information on our blog post. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials to see what other cool things you can get done with Cron To Go and SFTP to go.